One. Sorry, it is a bit blurry. The tree is blowing with the wind that's coming through. I wonder if you can hear the rain. And it is thundering as well. Won't show you my horrible neighbour's backyard. But can you hear the thunder? So can you hear the thunder? It's nothing unusual for us to get rain and thunder in the middle of summer or at the end of summer. Quite often happens. And there's a bit of lightning. Dear God's angry at someone. And what you're looking at is my bit of my window that's got the, what do you call it even?
I'm not sure.
I can't think what it's called, but yeah.
Fly-away?
That's it, fly-away screen. Okay, I'm going to leave you with that and look at my beautiful tree going. A nice cool breeze. Thunderstruck. Remember the AC/DC song with Thunderstruck? That's what we're getting. We knew it was coming. We were warned last night that the storm was coming. Alright guys, I'll leave you there and I hope you have a good day, night. Bye.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful.